Markets react to non-farm payrolls because the report gives traders a direct read on the strength of the US labor market and, by extension, the wider US economy. Non-farm payrolls, often shortened to NFP, shows how many jobs were added or lost in the US economy over the previous month, excluding farming and a few other categories. It is released every month and is one of the most closely watched economic reports in global markets. The reason everyone follows it: employment affects consumer spending, business confidence, wage pressure, inflation expectations, and interest rate expectations. When the US economy is creating jobs at a strong pace, it can suggest that businesses are still hiring, households still have income, and the economy still has momentum. That can support the US dollar, push bond yields higher, and influence how markets price the next move from the Federal Reserve. But a strong NFP number is not always positive for risk assets. If the labour market looks too strong, traders may assume inflation pressure could remain higher for longer. That can lead markets to price in higher interest rates or fewer rate cuts, which can put pressure on equities. A weaker jobs report can create the opposite reaction. It may suggest that the economy is slowing, which can increase expectations for rate cuts. In some market conditions, that can support risk assets. In others, if the weakness looks severe, it can raise recession concerns and push traders towards a more defensive stance. This is why the NFP reaction is not always straightforward. Traders are not only asking whether the number is good or bad, they are asking what it means for inflation, interest rates, company earnings, consumer demand, and the next stage of the economic cycle. The headline jobs number gets the first reaction, but the details often shape the follow-through. Wage growth shows whether pay pressure could feed into inflation. The unemployment rate shows whether the labour market is tightening or weakening. Revisions to previous months can also change the overall picture. This means that non-farm payrolls is not just a jobs report, it is a market signal. It helps traders judge the strength of the US economy, the likely path for interest rates, and how global markets may react next.